What is the three-tier architecture of an application? A three-tier architecture is a way of organizing a software application into three separate parts, each with its own role. Here's a simple breakdown. Part 1. Presentation layer, the user interface. This is what the user interacts with. It's the website or app screen that shows buttons, forms, and content. Think of it like a storefront where you browse items and decide what to buy. Part 2. Logic layer, the application or business logic. This is where all the thinking happens. It processes the user's actions, like checking if a password is correct, or calculating how much an item costs after applying a discount. It's like the staff in the back room who make sure everything is working and orders are processed. Part 3. Data layer, the database. This is where all the information is stored, such as customer details, product information, or past orders. It's like a warehouse where all the products are kept, and whenever needed, items are pulled out and sent to the right place. These three layers work together to ensure everything runs smoothly, but they are separated so each part can be managed and updated independently without affecting the others. This makes the system more efficient and flexible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.